is our cabin, U65. We on deck 6, U65. We got it. You don't serve like that. And you get off in there like that. Now let's go. Now when you first get in, you got your temperature control. Now when you first come in here, you have to put your sign and seal card in here in order to be able to cut on your lights. So you won't be able to turn on your lights until you put your sign and seal card in here. But you don't have to leave it in there. You can take it off and all your lights work for the rest of the cruise without having to put that in there. We're gonna close it down. We're gonna take y'all over here to give you this room tour. When we first was finna come on this cruise, we did a whole bunch of research, watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos and everything. And everybody was telling us that the staterooms are very, very tiny. But when we get in this room, when you come in here, you look at this room is not tiny. Well, I'm gonna say for 2 people. Now, if you got like 3, 4 kids that's coming with you, it might be a little small. But for us, this is like the size of a regular like hotel or motel room. I'm gonna take you over here to this end, and then we're gonna work our way back, and we're gonna give y'all this room tour. So if you come over here, you got 2 USB outlets right here. Bree uses hers for her phone charger, and the other one's just not used at all. We paid for the Oceanview room. We didn't get a balcony because we knew we weren't gonna be in our rooms enough to actually enjoy a balcony room. So we saved a little bit on the money and got an Oceanview room. Now I will recommend an Oceanview versus the interior. We never stayed in the interior because it's our first cruise, but we will say that we really enjoy being able to look out and see the ocean. We can't, like as y'all can see, you can't see nothing right now because it's just plain ocean. Ain't no lights, ain't no nothing. It's just ocean. So it is dark, but normally we have this closed because of the daytime. The sun coming through, it gets really, really cold. I mean, really, really hot. And so we got, the temperature thermostat and stuff over there. But now y'all can see this is our king size bed. You have 2 choices. You can either have 2 twin size beds, or you can have 1 king size bed where they put 2 twin size beds together. As you can see, it's a little slit right down the middle where you can tell that they put 2 king size beds. But when you first get in the room, you cannot tell. When you get to sleeping and laying down in here, you cannot really tell that it's 2 twin size beds put together. And so you got your good little pillows over here. These just like your hotel pillows. We got 4 of these. And one of the coolest things about this bed is right here in the middle. There's a switch right here. So like if you laying in the bed, you don't feel like getting up again and going all the way over there to the wall where you first come in to cut off the lights. If you laying in the bed, you can just hit this switch and you cut off all the lights in the room. And I thought that was so dope, and that saved us a lot of getting up and down out of the bed. So the next thing that we get to, now when you get into your hotel, when you get into your stateroom, you're gonna get a stewardess. Every cabin gets a stewardess. Now you may have the same stewardess as like 4, 5, 10 other staterooms, and that's fine because they're gonna take care of you. As y'all can see, this bed is made up. These pillows are clean, the sheets are clean, everything is clean. One thing about this is this cruise is very, very clean everywhere, even outside the stateroom, everything is clean. And that's thanks to the stewardess and the staff that's here to help make sure everything is clean. Now, you have the same stewardess come every single day, and they come, they make up your bed, and they come and leave you a little animal made out of towels right here with little eyes on it. And then, as y'all can see, this is our last night on the cruise, so he left us his information and a thank you card. And he just put it right here, and we just left it as it is. And they do this every day. Everything is spotless when you get back to it. And it's just amazing to see y'all make sure that y'all take care of y'all stewardess when y'all at the end of the cruise, because they do a lot of work. All right, so next we got this little cube right here. It's a little desk that we set stuff on, and we unpacked and everything. And then on top of it, you got your remote for your TV. So I'm gonna turn on the TV. The TV is up on the wall. I'm gonna cut that back off. Your TV is up on the wall. It's out the way. It's not sitting on your table or nothing like that. It's not taking up no spaces in the middle of the wall. So if you come over here, you have a chair where you can sit on and just, enjoy your company or whatever. But since it's just me and Bree, we just stack stuff up here like this until we ain't have no more room. Now if you come over here, you got 2 stationary hooks where you can hang your swim clothes in when you get off the cruise and you get ready to go to the beach or whatever. You can hang your swim clothes over here and your towels over here to let them dry a little bit. But we use these pretty well, because they tell you to get those magnetic hooks that hook on here. But we found that once you hook those magnetic hooks on here, you can't really put anything on there because they'll just slide down because of the weight of the clothes that you're putting on. Now right here you have, if you click the little switch on the side of this thing, you have a reading light right down here. So like if all the lights are off, I'm gonna demonstrate. Now, if all the lights are off, now you have this one reading light right here. You can put that back on. But I actually use this light pretty often because I brought a book with me, and I packed it up right now, but I brought a book with me, and I've been sitting here in the bed, and I've been reading the book and everything almost every night, and it's been really good to have. So next, we're gonna go, while we're here, we're gonna go to this desk area. Now, this is a pretty big size desk right here. You have 2 more USB outlets right here. Now I use that to charge my phone because I sit up closest to the door. But right here by this window, by this mirror, you can see if you click this button right here, this big light comes on around this window. Now let me tell you, that this thing works nice. It real nice. Now Bree come in here and she just look at herself. She just come in here and she get done doing her makeup. She just come out here and she do her little thing. And she look at herself and she look at the board a little bit. You know what I'm saying? She just come and look at herself, and it's nice because you get all this light around this mirror, and it's perfect for her. And so right here you have these 2 120 volt outlets, which is the normal outlet that everybody in America uses. That's 6 outlets right there. You got 4 USB and 2 120 volt outlets that you can use. When we was doing our research and stuff, everybody was telling us you're gonna want to get an outlet, you're gonna want to get an adapter that gives you more outlets and everything for all your stuff that you're gonna want to charge. But we found that we don't need that at all. We didn't need we bought one that goes into the 120 volt that gives you 3 more outlets, but we did not need it at all. All right, moving on. Over here, y'all can see they got this nice little tray right here, and they got these 2 huge, like look how big they water is. Like these 2 huge bottles of water, and as y'all can see, these bottles of water is $4 each. So we ain't open them. So once you crack that seal, you gotta pay that $4. So we didn't do that. We just use, like, they give you this like kind of wine glass, kind of fancy little mug that they use in the fine dining restaurants and everything. They give you one in your room, and as you can see, Brie lipstick on it. So we be using this, like, we just get the little sink water. If we need to take some Dramamine, or we need to take some Tylenol or Aleve or whatever, we just get the water out the sink, we just down it real quick. But on top of that, you have a shelf right here that Brie has her purse on right now. And we had some like chips and stuff that we brought with us that actually saved us from having to go to the Lido deck and getting more food and stuff. We just had a little snack. And up here, we got a little stuff right now up here for tomorrow, but we also had like Rice Krispie treats up here. And I recommend bringing you some snacks. And what we didn't know is that you can bring like a case of Cokes or a case of Sprites or whatever. Oh, and you can bring like a 24 case of water. If you're willing to carry that stuff with you on board, I say bring it because it'll save you some money. Trust me, because this is stuff that we learned just from doing because this is our first cruise. So I advise you to do it. All right, and now right here, you have the phone. And they got everything labeled right here. They got every single number that you need. We have another drawer right here, which is where you got this thing in here if you want to.
Uh-oh.
This is your makeup thing.
Yeah, that's what's supposed to be in there.
I'm gonna take this out just so Bree don't leave it. But we got this drawer right here, and we got this blow dryer that does work. We also use this drawer right here to put all of our little stuff, like our jewelry and stuff. We can put it in here, like the GoPro and stuff. We can put it in here. We just set it in there for some storage. And then also right here, we have another drawer for extra storage that we really didn't use. We really didn't need all that storage, but it's there if you need to use it. And so right next to that, you have the refrigerator. It's not that much space in there and no shelves or anything for you to put anything on, but it's here. Now this whole 5-day cruise, our refrigerator don't work. Now I don't know if it's not supposed to, like, if it's just like a wine chiller or whatever, but our stuff didn't work. We had 2 bottles of wine that we put in there, and it didn't cool that wine off at all. Now, when you come on a Carnival cruise, you can bring a 750 milliliter bottle of wine for each person that comes on the cruise. So we brought 2 because it's me and Bree. And we put them in there, and them things stayed room temperature the whole time. It did not chill it out at all. We had to go get ice from upstairs and everything. So ours probably just didn't work. Now, y'all might work when y'all come, but ours didn't work. Next up, we have the little trash can. We use this trash can a lot. We put all types of stuff in there. But when we put all this stuff in there, that's why I say take care of your stewardess at least at the end of the trip. If you don't do it all throughout, I would say at the end of your trip, make sure you take care of your stewardess, because we put all types of stuff in that trash can, and every day that trash can was empty when we got back to our room. All right, now when you come back here, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this thing where you put your key at when you first come in, this is your thermostat. Now you see all our blues is here because we like it cold in our room. So this is cold, but you can press up and you can send all the heat up. Now you turning up the heat, but we're gonna leave this back down on the blue. That's how you turn on your air. Right now, we're gonna get into this first cabin right here. This wardrobe right here on top. You got some extra sheets. You got more extra sheets back here that we're gonna put back because they ain't got nothing to do with it, because our stewardess been taking care of us. We ain't have to use no extra nothing. And here you got, like some people say bring you some clothes hangers and stuff like that, but I think that's only for if you got a big family or something and you bringing kids and stuff with you. That's fine, but like we have, as y'all can see, we got a plenty of hangers in here. And now down here, you got extra bed and stuff. I think there's extra bed and stuff and pillows and stuff. But we have to use none of that because it's just me and Bree and we've been good. And also you have this big full-size mirror right here that me and Bree, we just been posing and voguing and looking at it and just all in and stuff. And we've been, you know, you can see your whole outfit, you can see your drip, how you looking for the day. And you can do it right here in this full-size mirror. Now in this next wardrobe, you don't got no full-size mirror right here, but you got a full door. You know, on top, you got your life jacket. You're supposed to have, we got one life jacket and then we got two. You will learn in your muscle drill that it's supposed to be the same amount of life jackets as it is people in your stateroom. So there's two of us, so we have two life jackets. So if something go wrong, we'll have to put these on and we go, you know, to our muster station or whatever, and they'll put us on lifeboats or whatever. Hopefully that don't happen from now until 8 o'clock in the morning, because that's when we get off. And here we had more hangers, but we took some hangers out of here and put them in this other one. But you have more hanging space up here. Then right here you got a shelf where we put, you know, this Bree carry-on bag with her duffel bag with her stuff in here. And then we even put a suitcase down at the bottom, which is, that's a lot of space because we got our suitcase sitting vertically. Then come down here a little bit. You got a shelf up here with all this space back there. You can stack stuff as high as you want to, all the way up to the top. You can stack a whole bunch of stuff. I don't even think we use this top rack. Now, then you have a second rack right here. You got all this space right here to stack stuff up. Now, me and Bree, we personally just use these racks for our shoes. So we can just organize our shoes and we just be able to pick them up when we get ready to put on our outfit, get ready to go out and do what we're gonna do. And then now, right here, you have a safe. Now, I don't know if our safe just didn't work or if I just didn't know how to use it, but it ain't open up for us. All right, so y'all's might open up for y'all, but ours ain't open up for us. So I'm gonna take y'all to the bathroom now. So you open up this door and you have this switch right here that's on the outside. So you click that switch and then the lights magically turn on in the bathroom. So if you come in here, now first we got the shower. I don't know about y'all, but this shower is bigger than our shower in our bedroom at home. So this is a pretty good size shower. This level right here is this is how you turn your water on, but this right here is how you get your temperature. So you want to make sure you go ahead and make sure your temperature right before you get in there. And then they have this shower head that's detachable. So you can get in here, you can get your back, you can get over here, you can get up on the hill, you can get, you know, you can get right up in there, you can get back here, you can do whatever you need to do, you feel me? So you can detach it. Then you just put it back and you good to go. Or you can just use it like a regular shower head. They got shower gel already in here for you, and they got shampoo that's already in here for you. So like I've been using the mess out of this shower gel, and every day the stewardess come and fill this stuff back up, because I had it to about right here. And he came and filled it all the way back up in the shower gel. He filled it all the way back up. Let me get out the shower. We're going to come over here to the sink. All right, so over here you got a good, decent, nice size sink. Over here is where we brush our teeth, we wash our face, we wash our hands after we go to the bathroom. You know, Bree got her little smell good stuff over here. We got our deodorant up here on this rack. We got some tissue that they gave us on the rack. Hold on, because I need to blow my nose real quick. Man, you got a good little light up here and a good little mirror right here. We can just come in here, and Bree been doing her makeup in this mirror every single day on this cruise. So it must work pretty decently because her face been looking fine. Because everybody been giving her compliments ever since we got on this cruise. Because she been looking bad ever since we got here. But anyway, we're going to go over here to the toilet. This is the throne. This is where it all happened at right here, especially for me. Am I missing something else?
It's everything.
Well, that's it. Hold on, let me go over here with a good light at. We just wanted to give y'all a room tour. We just wanted to take y'all through and show y'all where we've been staying at for the past 5 days. That's going to be a fifth little video, man. So we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace!